Today I'm going to teach you how to really easily add visual effects to any music video. And the coolest thing is I'm going to be giving away a bunch of free editing preset packs and assets in this video. Let's go. Alright guys, shout out to Drake who just dropped the new Iceman album. We're going to be using some footage from this music video. It's absolutely insane. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go to 11%.net, and I've linked down to a bunch of free sample overlay presets that you can download completely for free. So the preset pack that we're going to be using today is called the 3D Floating Overlay City Objects Pack. So this pack will help us add a bunch of free floating 3D effects. So you can go to the pack and download it. And as you'll see inside of this pack, there's actually two of them. We have a Chrome 3D Objects Pack and a Floating City Objects Pack. The Floating City Objects Pack has a bunch of these like floating objects. We can literally go ahead and drag and drop any one of these we want onto our timeline. So let's go ahead and use these like floating grenades. These look insane. So I can go ahead and just drag and drop this onto my timeline. I go to my effects, I search for the Ultra Key effect, and then I just apply that Ultra Key effect to this clip right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and key out the blue, and boom, just like that, we go ahead and we got some crazy floating grenades like inside the scene. I don't know, this looks kind of sick. It kind of looks sick. And then we can go ahead and actually scale this down if we want. And what I like to do is I like to hold Option or Alt and duplicate that layer. And then I go ahead and add a Gaussian blur to this new layer, the top layer. And the reason why I do this is so that I can go ahead and create a depth of field effect. So I would actually scale this first, this top layer up a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and decrease that Gaussian blur. Let's do like that. So then that way we have some effects that are like out of focus and it just looks really, really sick. So you can go ahead and use those ones. There's a bunch of other ones in here. Let's go ahead and try something else. I thought the album was okay, but if you thought it was trash, you can go ahead and add trash cans floating to the scene. You can go ahead and search for that Ultra Key effect. Again, it's just the same exact process. We just key out that blue. We're getting a bunch of floating 3D objects added to this scene. You can go ahead and apply this for any shot where he's standing still. You just want to obviously make sure that it's like scaled up to the correct scene. But this is really cool, honestly. Like, we're able to get really cool 3D visual effects with just a click of a button. And like I said, there's also some Chrome effects as well. And by the way, all these packs are completely free to download and try out and test for free. So we have some free links down below in the description. But also I really quickly want to show you our AutoEdit music video mode plugin. So we actually made an AI plugin which will automatically edit music videos, because I originally was a music video director and I just hated how repetitive and long the editing process took. So that's why I made this AI plugin which will automatically cut music videos, but it also has this really cool feature where we can go ahead and add visual effects with just clicking one button. And the cool thing is I can just go here, I can click to 3D Objects tab, and let's go ahead and add some floating 3D objects. Look, there's a bunch of cool stuff in here. There's like floating cars, there's like football helmets. I believe there's some glass in here. Oh yeah, there's some glass in here for sure. So let's go ahead and add some floating 3D money. So we can just go ahead and hit insert that playhead, and boom, just like that, it'll add the visual effects layer and it automatically keys out the green for us, which is really cool. We can go ahead and scale this up. And look at this, guys. This looks so crazy. The fact that this was made in just the click of a button is really sick. You can just get some cool starting points for your visual effects. And it also has an AI tab. So if you automatically edit an entire music video, you can just go ahead and toggle on any type of visual effects you want, and it'll automatically apply a mix of those visual effects throughout your entire music video editing timeline. So this is really cool for if you have raw footage of your music video, you know, you're just editing a full music video, just want to quickly add some visual effects, you can do so. Now there's a bunch of other crazy visual effects in here. Let's go ahead and try one of the rotoscoping effects. So we can actually go ahead and hold Option or Alt to duplicate this layer. And the reason we're going to do so is so we're going to add the Object Mask tool. So I'm going to click the Object Mask, and then we're going to select Drake. We're going to go ahead and wait for it to load. So it's loading, it's getting a quick mask of our subject, and boom, just like that, it is now Object Mask our subject. This is in Premiere Pro 2026. This is the new feature. And then you just go to the very beginning of your clip, you hit play, and then it's going to go ahead and track our subject. So this is really cool because now we can get some rotoscoping After Effects level stuff, but completely for free inside of Premiere Pro. I mean, rotoscoping was free inside After Effects anyways, but this is going to be really cool because we have a bunch of visual effects that we can apply directly to our clips. So once it's done object masking, we can go ahead and drag that object mask down into our opacity tab, just like that. And boom, now it is object masked our subject. If we turn off the bottom layer, you'll see he is now transparent. And what we can do is we can apply visual effects to this bottom layer. Another free preset I'm going to link down below is this slide effect. So the slide effect, we can actually just go ahead and drag and drop it onto our timeline. It's a preset. You just go ahead and import this preset by clicking the hamburger icon and you click import presets. By the way, I've linked to the slide preset down below, and it's also in the AutoEdit plugin as well. So it's in the manual mode. You can go to the energy tab and it is in there. You just click one button and it automatically gets applied. But to apply the slide preset, the free one, you just go ahead and drag it onto your bottom layer, and boom, just like this, it will add a bunch of crazy slide effects to your music video. And now you can see if we play it out, we get this crazy slide effect with some flashes. It just looks absolutely insane. The fact that we made this in just a couple of clicks, like, I don't know. Tell me if I'm crazy or not. But this preset is completely free to download and test. So I've linked down to it all down below. Anyways, those are some quick visual effects that you can add to your music videos using the Drake Iceman video. Let me know, is this ice? Did we freeze the billboard? All right, I'm done. No more glazing. Let me know what you guys think. And if you want to learn more about that AI auto edit plugin to automatically edit music videos to the beat of any song, you can check out this video link right here.